this video, I will show you how to turn on 2FA for your PayPal account without any stress. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do for everyone using Android phone. So for everyone using Android phone, open up your Google Play Store. So if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, then go ahead and click on search. Then you want to make sure you click on search app and game. Then go ahead and type in Google Authenticator. Hit on search. All you have to do is to make sure you download and install Google Authenticator app. After a successful download and install Google Authenticator app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you log in to your PayPal account. So for that, I'm going to access from my Google Play Store right here because I've already downloaded and installed Google Authenticator app on my Android phone, just like what you see right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed to my PayPal account. Open up your Chrome browser or whatever browser available for you. Then all you have to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on plus sign to create a new tab. Click on search Google right here. Then type in PayPal login and hit enter. Then go ahead and click on paypal.com right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to log in. So I'm going to log in straight up with my pass key. So after a successful login to my PayPal account, next thing you want to do is just go ahead and simply click on this three slider. The next thing you want to do is to click on this setting icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security. Then scroll down right here, you have two-step verification. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you go. Protect your account with two-step verification. All you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on use an authenticator app. Then here you go. So what you need to do right here, get code from an authenticator app. What you need to do right here is to go ahead. Step 1, scan the keyhard code below or manually type the secret key into your authenticator app. And this is your secret key right here. All you have to do here is to go ahead, click and hold down to copy your secret key. So once you highlight, go ahead and copy your secret key. Once you copy your secret key, exit from your PayPal. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your authenticator app right here. All right, so because of security reason, I won't be able to capture the screen right here. Just follow along from your authenticator app. Go ahead and click on the plus sign of the Google logo. Click on it. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on set up a key. Click on enter a setup key. So go ahead and enter the name. Call it PayPal for easy identification. Then go ahead and paste your key. Once you paste your key, go ahead and click on add right here. Successfully add. Once you add it, then they're going to generate a sys code for you. So the sys code is what you need to enter into your PayPal account. So I'll go ahead and enter the sys code right here. Come back to my PayPal. The sys code is 054547. Then go ahead and hit on confirm. Now you have successfully add two-step verification to your account. It's that simple. All you have to do right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on done. And you are done. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about PayPal topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.